Kung Pao chicken, chicken breast, soy sauce,
salt,
black pepper to taste, cornstarch, Shaoxing wine. Mix them well together. Olive oil, so they won't stick together. Water, black vinegar, soy sauce,
rice wine,
sugar, and oyster sauce,
white pepper powder,
cornstarch,
cooking oil,
chicken, dry chili, green onion, minced garlic, ginger, and peanut, the bell pepper. Bring back the chicken in, adding the sauce. This is so good with white rice in sesame oil. Make less than 30 minutes. Kung Pao chicken. Serve and enjoy.